Hello and welcome to the third video. This video is only to check your work, not to show all the work. And so if you have not accomplished the work yet, I recommend you get started first. Show the annotations, set up the ratios and the fractions. And then if you get stuck along the way, you can unpause this video or play this video and use it to check or help you along the way. But it's not meant to give you all the answers. If you have already done all of that and you're now ready to check, some things that you should already have are the annotations. All of these boxes that I'm putting orange around right now, those should be highlighted based upon the colors for menus and hours that are in the fraction. You should also have the word menus and hours here. For Darla's ratio, you needed to mention that it was 350 menus to 2 hours. And for Drew, 510 menus to 3 hours. And then those should be the first fractions that you see. 350 menus in 2 hours and 510 menus in 3 hours. The next thing that you should have noticed was that our goal is to find who's fastest. And whenever we're finding who's the fastest or who's the best at something, we need to figure out what they can accomplish in one of whatever it is. So in this case, per hour. And so this should have 1 hour and this should have 1 hour. That means that the C value, the middle, is whatever it takes to get from 2 dividing to get down to 1. And then for this one, from 3 down to 1. So I'm going to show what division you should be doing on the top now on the whiteboard. So this whiteboard shows what you should be doing to find the answer if you're going across the top of each of the fractions. Darla, you're going to be dividing 350 by 2 because we had to divide top and bottom by 2. And Drew, we're dividing by 3 because we had to divide top and bottom of his fraction by 3. And so then we need to set up the division. You need to always place the dividend, which is the total number, inside. So 350 goes here. And the divisor, the thing that's splitting it up, on the outside. And I'm not going to do the division on this one for you. You'll need to figure that one out. And then same thing here, 510 divided by 3. One quick note about this one. A lot of people forget the extra place value at the end. Do not forget that you should have 3 places, 3 numbers in your overall answer. And whatever you get here, you're going to subtract it from whatever you get from Darla's answer. You don't have to show the arrows in your own work. I'm just showing where those numbers should come from. When you subtract them, you should end up with the amount that they're different by. And it has to be Darla's because her number is going to be bigger. If Drew's number was bigger, I would have put it on top. Okay, so then this will help you to do the sentence answer. These will help you with the rates and with the final sentence. Let's just take a quick look at your slide to see generally what it should look like. So you're going to have 100-something menus per, so 100-something menus per hour for Darla, and then something similar for Drew based upon your division. You're going to fill in the sentence and let us know that Darla will be getting the bonus, and you'll explain why. Because they, or you could say she, since I think Darla's pronouns would be she and her, but I don't want to assume either, so that's why I put they. So they do blank, which is blank more menus per hour than Drew. So you need to mention what Darla's actual rate is and how much more she can do every hour compared to Drew. And that's what the subtraction was for, the comparison number. If you need any other support, please check in with me during class.